Hey guys, what should I do? Should I go play with my magic microphone when Zayden's waiting when he's doing his video?
This video is sponsored by FCustom.
Look, Zay, look, I found a magic microwave.
Hey, what do you think we should put in it?
Well, I had this pink marker. Okay, Zay, I'm gonna put the marker inside it and see what happens. Look, Satan's ready. Let's see what we got. Whoa, it's a pink jersey. It has my name on it. It even has my favorite number, 15. Look at my jersey.
Oh, that's so cool. Let me go try to go put a blue marker so I can get a blue jersey. Oh, mine's ready. Whoa, look at my blue jersey. It has 7, it has my name, and that has Zebragate on it. I can't wait to try it on. Well, this jersey is so cool.
Done like that. Yay! Wow, these are so cool. That's me, I think then.
Thank you, FCustom, for sending these jerseys. A link in the description will be there for a coupon for these. Thank you, FCustom, for sending these awesome jerseys. Guys, use our coupon code to get a coupon. Zay&Sinai. The link is in the description. Thank you so much. Bye. See ya.
Bye. See ya.